Now pick them up.
Moo.
You just fart. Put it in there. Eggs.
Shake it.
Shake it.
Ooh.
What's in there? What's this? What's this one? Did that one get hidden? Yeah. Go ahead and put that one in there.
Ooh. Put it in your basket. I'll get some later.
There's some more. Mommy, hold on to it.
Uh-oh.
Did you drop? That's okay. We'll put that one in there. Put this one in there too.
Asia, look it.
Yeah. Look, there's one more. Right there.
I know.
Yeah, pick it up. You can get it. Good girl. Come put it in here. Put it in your basket. Come on. Look it. Oh, there's some more. Do you see them? Yeah, now bunny rabbit. You want to pick up the eggs? Pick up the eggs. Yes, what's in there? Put it in the basket. Look, there's some more eggs. Look, what's that on your chair? On your chair. Just wait, Mommy's got more for you. Yeah. Look, what's that on the bookshelf? Look at that, babies, beside the bookshelf. Put them in the basket. Put them in your basket. Get that one. You can pick that one up. What's this one? What's that? Yes. What's on the chair? Yes. Come on. Let's look some more. What about by the TV? Do you see one by the TV? You see some more? Go pick them up. Yeah, pick them up. What is that? What is that? Do you want to put your toys, your treats, your eggs in here? Look at, what's that beside it? What is that? Right there, in front of it.
Uh-oh. Okay.
It's okay. You can eat them.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Eat them. Yum. Go ahead and put them back in your egg. Let's put them back in your egg for you, huh?
Moo. Moo. Moo.
Good, huh? Do you want to get that one? Yeah, it's good. Yum. Oh, she said she wants to eat it.
She's like, ooh, I think I'm going to eat another one. Look at that belly showing. I see your belly.
Look at that egg. Look at that egg. Do you see it beside the daddy's shoe? No, right here, babies.
It does work.
Right there. Yeah, we'll let her finish what's inside. I'll do it. Go ahead. Yes, good job. Mommy will put it in the basket for you. Look. Look what's in front of your toy. Look at that. Look over here, babies, by the curtains. By the curtains. Look down. Another one. Yes. Oh, look at this over here. Wow, the Easter Bunny loved you so much. What about right here? Right here in front of the TV. Yes. And look, over there, babes. Over there. Good job. Yeah. You want to bring a tissue? Yes. Oh, you want to hold on to it? Okay. Be careful.
Papa, yeah, Papa.
All right. What? Looks like Easter Bunny left some stuff going outside.